summer experience in agricultural research is for the college undergraduates who are interested in pursuing a graduate education, but are not quite sure where they would like to focus their postgraduate education.
I decided to participate in the summer experience program because everybody I talked to at Michigan State told me that anyone they knew that went had a great experience. I wanted to learn more about the research process and do more hands-on work. The purpose of the research program at Minor is to sort of give you a taste of what being a grad student is like. And I think they really do a great job, so that'll definitely help me when I do get to grad school.
I think we're very focused on giving these students an experience that will give them a realistic view of what graduate school will be like. They're going to be working long hours. They're going to be working some weekends, and that really is what being a graduate student in agricultural research is like.
Some of the things so far that we have done, we feed. We have a whole week of feeding where we train and feed. We do research walkabouts where we kind of are detectives and figure out what's wrong with the cows, if anything, and make sure they're all healthy.
You do milk sampling, you'll do blood sampling, all sorts of different sample collections. You'll be working in the environmental lab, doing some laboratory stuff, or the forage lab. There's a lot of hands-on interaction with the cows.
I've really liked getting to do all of the different small things. We got to do rumen evacuations, and we're going to get to do an AI clinic, and so all of just the small things that we're going to get to learn that are just good skills to know is going to be really exciting.
In addition, the students are involved in conducting an independent research project. These projects are decided on before the students arrive here at Minor. There's a project that we find is very important to what we do, but the students become the primary investigator for those projects. They develop a proposal while they're here at Minor. They help conduct the study. And at the end of the summer, they write up a final report and give an oral presentation.
My favorite aspect would probably be being able to do my own research project. You have that freedom, and they really do put a lot of responsibility on you to self-motivate and get it done. But it is really nice to sort of have it in control and feel included. Like, you're not just a student, you're a coworker, and they really take in your input when you're doing your project.
My favorite part of my summer experience at Minor was for sure getting to run my own project. I had a lot of support, but I was also able to make decisions and run it as if I was an actual researcher, which was really nice, getting that independent experience. And I also got a lot of help from my fellow summer students and faculty and advisors, and it was really great to not only have something I could call my own, but also have it a team effort as well.
Minor Institute is located in northeastern New York, about as far north and east in New York as you can get. We're located 5 miles from the Canadian border, as well as 5 miles from the Vermont border.
It's actually nestled quite nicely in the middle of the Adirondacks. There's Plattsburgh, Vermont. There's actually a lot of beautiful mountains around, and there's quite a bit to do, and even if you don't go too far, you can always find something to see or someone to meet, and it's been really nice to experience that with all the other students.
Living here is really nice. You're right by where you work. You get to live with all the people that you work with. It's really nice to see people outside of work, and it's very homey feeling. You know, the food is good, you eat well.
The food is almost too good, and the dorm life is really nice. You get to spend time with all of the other students, and the rooms are huge. You get your own bathroom, kitchen, and there's a common area for everyone to kind of hang out at the end of the day, so it's really nice.
The barn is really, really clean. It's probably the nicest dairy barn I've ever been to. It's really nice. They definitely care about cow comfort here and about making sure that, everyone's staying safe and having fun, and all of the animals seem happy here too. So
The barns are really nice. All the facilities are really great. Everybody you work with is really, they know how to treat interns. They're always willing to help.
Everyone here is really, if you make a mistake, they really want to spell everything out for you and make sure that you're comfortable doing everything. And so they're going to make sure that you know exactly what you're supposed to be doing, and they're really good at teaching you whenever you don't know. And if you make a mistake, then it's okay, because everyone's going to make mistakes and you don't have to feel bad whenever you do one. So
I would definitely recommend the summer program at Minor Institute to other students, because even if you're sure of what you want to do next or you have no idea, either way you're going to have a great experience and learn a lot about yourself and the industry and maybe take a different direction than you were expecting in the first place.
I would recommend this program. It's a really good program. Everyone here is really nice and you get a lot of experience here.
The faculty at Minor Institute are really respected in their field, and because it's such a close-knit group of people, you really get the chance to have a one-on-one experience with those people. And from, postdocs to the president to other students and research technicians, we're all part of a team and get to work together, and everyone has their own individual piece, but at the end of the day, Minor Institute is a collective effort and we try and do the best research we can.